Welcome to Cooking with Mac, where I show you what I'm cooking and maybe even give you a few ideas. These videos are dedicated to and also requested by my son who is serving in the United States Army. Today, I'm going to be cooking better than buffalo wings. Now, don't get me wrong, I really love buffalo wings, but I got this recipe from my father-in-law, and once I cook these wings, I have not made regular buffalo wings since. Now, one of the good things is this recipe still incorporates hot sauce, so you're still going to get some of that flavor, but the combination of hot sauce and these other spices really takes the wings to another level. I'm going to be cooking these wings in the air fryer, but I've also cooked them in the oven and on the grill. So there's several different ways that you can cook them, and they're all really good. Although I will say that a pellet fired grill or an air fryer are my favorite ways to cook these. You don't need a ton of different ingredients. It's probably things that you'll have in your kitchen cabinet anyway. I always keep a container of the seasoning ready to go and mixed up so I don't have to make a batch each time I want to cook the chicken wings. To mix everything up, I'm just going to be using a bowl with a lid. So the ingredients are 2 tablespoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of onion powder, 5 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 3 teaspoons of chili powder, 3 tablespoons of ranch powdered seasoning, and 2 tablespoons of lemon and pepper. Next, I just put the lid on the container, shake it really well to ensure that everything is mixed properly. I want to pat down my wings to remove any extra moisture because the extra moisture on the wings will keep not only the hot sauce but the spices from sticking as well as they should. So I just pat these down with a paper towel. I'm going to be using a milder hot sauce. Of course, you can use something like Tabasco if you want them to be a little hotter, but I prefer using a milder hot sauce. Next, I coat the wings really well in hot sauce. And now I coat the wings in the wing seasoning. Now I'm going to spray a light coating of cooking oil into the air fryer to keep the wings from sticking. And this is a pack of 24 wings, so I'm going to cook about 12 at a time. And I'm going to cook the wings for 8 minutes at 385 degrees. And then I'll take them out, give them a shake, and then cook for an additional 8 minutes at 385 degrees. So the wings are ready, and let's see what they look like. Look, you got to admit, these are some really nice looking wings. I'm going to go ahead and check these just to make sure that the internal temperature is at least 165, and they're good. Just look at that beautiful texture on these wings. I would encourage you to try this recipe because I think you're going to be very surprised at just how good these wings are. I'm going to list the ingredients here at the end in case you want to write them down to try this recipe. And if you do try it, be sure and let me know in the comments what you thought about it. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more of these. So as always, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.